Today we will be making homemade slime. It's simple, it's interesting, and most of all, it's fun. For our homemade recipe, you will need glue, contact lens solution, food coloring, baking soda, water, a paper cup or a bowl, and popsicle sticks.
First, you have to add 3 tablespoons of glue into your bowl. Next, you have to add half a tablespoon of contact lens solution into your mixture. Then you have to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Lastly, add a couple drops of food coloring, and you can always add water in order to make your slime stretchier.